Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by applying the parking brake and pressing the brake pedal firmly. Safety first. Turn the ignition key to the on position to enable the electronic shifter functions without starting the engine. Keep the brake pedal depressed, locate the shift release button on the console or knob, press and hold that button, then move the selector into neutral N. If the lever moves freely into N, release the button and confirm the instrument cluster shows N. If it resists, stop and use the override step next. When the battery is dead or the shifter is electronically locked, use the shift lock override. Find the small plastic cover adjacent to the gear selector and pry it up with a key or small flat screwdriver to expose the override slot. Insert the ignition key or flat tool into the slot and press down to manually release the lock while you simultaneously depress the brake pedal. With the lock depressed, move the shifter into neutral N, then replace the plastic cover and confirm the cluster reads. After placing the vehicle in neutral, immediately engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks to prevent unintended movement. Remember that parking the transmission in neutral does not guarantee protection during towing. Towing the 2013 Chrysler 300 with driven wheels on the ground can damage internal components, so a flatbed tow is recommended when possible. Always consult the owner manual for model-specific towing instructions, maximum allowable distances, and any required preparatory steps such as disconnecting the drive shaft or using a tow dolly to protect the transmission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.